So Laura asked me, why is the steering wheel for this car in the trunk? Well, that's a really good question, but she didn't see the rest of the picture. So like they used to say on the TV, and here's the rest of the story when they were talking about the news, I'm going to give you a little walkthrough, and it might help understand why it costs so much to get your car worked on these days. We start off with the steering wheel in the trunk, that's for sure. But if you come around and look on the rest of look at this. We've got part of the under hood is back here. Look at all these pieces that are on the roof of the vehicle. Now these are all soft interior parts, so they're not going to scratch anything. But look at this. We have parts inside the back seat. Ha!
That's the whole console.
That's the whole console. It's the radio. It's the top console, the bottom console, the center. There's an instrument panel cluster in the box over there, along with some more parts. And holy, look at that.
Oh my goodness.
Isn't that amazing? So we've opened this dash up completely and removed the dash. This is the dash on the roof of the car. If you can see that, that's the dash. It is upside down. But we have removed the dash.
And this whole thing moves. Oh my goodness. Why is all of this out of the car?
Well, there was a leak for the air conditioner. And
all this for an air conditioner?
Yeah, all of this for an air conditioner.
Wow. Yeah?
So you can see there's a hole, right? See where my hand is?
Yep. Yes.
That's where the heater hoses connect, and the air conditioning evaporator will also connect through those holes. And Tim is taking the plenum apart right now. So there's an entire assembly that sits underneath the dash here. It probably weighs about 40 pounds. And we had to take all this apart just to get to the plenum that Tim is wrestling with right now. And then he's going to open it up. And once he gets it opened up, this is the replacement part that will be put in there. It is the evaporator core. And this, it's like a little radiator, except the refrigerant flows through here, and it sprung a leak. And because it has a leak in it, we must replace this. And that's why it costs so much to get inside the vehicle. We'll show you here once he opens it up what's involved. Got the case open on this, and we've removed the evaporator core. You can see, number one, it's covered with dye, and the dye is what we put in it to verify the leak. And it's been leaking for some time. If you look really close, you can see all the dirt that's starting to build up and the oil residue from the refrigerant oil on the evaporator. Okay? Well, we have the replacement unit here, and after looking at it, after going through all the work to take this apart, we're also going to do a preventative service. We're going to replace the heater core as well. It's just about $100 for the part additional, and it's cheap insurance so that we don't have to open this up again in 6 months to replace this part. I'd much rather have the customer replace this now because there's no additional labor, right? The labor, you can imagine, for taking this whole thing out of the car, take out the dash, the console, the instrument panel. I mean, take all this out of it. It's so much work. It really is. It's part of what we have to do, and that's part of why cars cost so much to repair. If you want more information, or if you'd like to schedule an appointment, I'm Jerry. This is the Auto Shop. We're at Jupiter and Plano Parkway, and you can call us at 972-578-0588, or check us out online at www.theautoshop.com. We are the shop you trust. Please click the like button, tell your friends, and most importantly, bring us your cars. We love to fix your cars. Until next time, see you everybody. Take care.